Glad to have you back, Lady Moon.
Stack, stackity stack.
Enjoy.
Yay! These look scrumptious.
Private, dibble me. We're not going anywhere with you. We don't even know who the heck you are.
The North Wind is an elite undercover interspecies. The North Wind is an elite undercover interspecies task force dedicated to dedicated to helping animals who can't help themselves, like penguins.
Really? And you are?
My name is Classified.
Classified, eh? What is that, Dutch? Can't really hear the accent.
Excuse me?
There's the accent.
No, my name isn't Classified. My name is Classified because I am the leader of this strike team.
The seal is short fuse, weapons and explosives. The bear is Corporal, he's our muscle. And the owl is Eva, intelligence and analysis.
Well, Agent Classified, we happen to be an elite unit too. You know, you should really label these things.